A watercolor portrait try of the internet maven, social media extraordinaire Chrissy, who does high octane exercises with beauty and elegance, and gardening also has really, well, you want to have some fun, head over to her page, because it's a real ride into sophistication and simplicity, and well, I don't know. Anyway, this portrait was coming out both good and bad. I thought I had a likeness here and there. The big pressure doing a portrait is, of course, getting a likeness. If it doesn't look anything like the person, it better look pretty darn good, and I don't think I can check off either one of those boxes, but even so, I just kept trying, and not really that experienced with portraits in watercolor. I've done a couple hundred maybe, and so trying to get the primary features. They say you don't paint everything when you're doing a portrait. You're supposed to leave stuff out, so that's always a consideration. What should I be painting? What should I be leaving out? And so sort of muddling along here, and I thought maybe I sort of had the smile, I kind of had the eyes, and it was a lot of fun, I gotta say, and the nose looked like a nose, and that's always a challenge, have a nose that looks like a nose. So I was just plodding along, and it's dying to finish because, so I don't know if it looked that great, but then I decided maybe it looks better like the farther away you get. So there it is, far away, yay!